Hi everyone, Kalyan Kumar from Product Review, and in this video I'll be unboxing and presenting a detailed guide of the Zoom H6 portable audio recorder, which I believe is one of the most versatile and probably the best device for recording multiple audio tracks, be it a microphone or line-in. In the beginning, I wanted to make one long video covering everything, but later I decided I'll make 9 short episodes of this device, which will cover everything about this recorder. These are the chapters that we will cover in each of the 9 episodes. You don't need any user manual for learning how to set up the device and use it for various situations if you watch all of these episodes. And I guarantee you 2 things. If you decide to read the Zoom H6 user manual instead to understand all of its functions and features, you simply won't be able to do it, or let's say without the help of YouTube or some blogs, you won't be able to do it at all. Zoom did an extremely shoddy job in making a half-baked manual with poor language and explanation that will ensure that you get confused and stay confused. As good as the recorder is, the manual is pathetic, to put it mildly. So watch this video in its entirety if you can. But if you're wanting only specific aspects of this device, check out the timestamps for different chapters in the description below. I'll begin with a disclaimer. This product has been purchased by me with my own funds, and it is not a review product. All the opinions you're about to hear are my own. This video is not sponsored by anyone, and no one is reviewing this video before it is uploaded. Zoom are the masters of digital recorders, and Zoom H6 was their marquee model till the middle of 2020 when Zoom launched the latest H8, which is the best portable audio recorder according to me. But the H6 is not far behind. It is right up there amongst the top 3 audio recorders in the world and top 2 among the Zoom recorders. This is the box and the 16 GB card that came with it. The front of the box shows what and how we can connect to the Zoom H6. It comes with 2 interchangeable mic capsules on top. This is the other capsule that can be separately bought. The remote that can also be separately bought. Let's open the cardboard box. There you see the box containing the Zoom H6. First we'll take out the paperwork. This is the user guide. Now let's take the box out. Finally it comes out. Opening it. This is a well-made plastic box. Opening the latch. There you go. These are the contents inside. First, let's take the USB cable. This is a very primitive mini USB to USB type A 2.0 cable. This is the windscreen. You should attach it to the top of the mid-side microphone capsule in windy conditions. We also get 4 AA alkaline batteries. Great. Now let's take out the mid-side microphone capsule. Next is the XY stereo microphone capsule. This is the gain knob. The capsule can be kept at 90 or 120 degree angle. Finally, the Zoom H6 comes out. This is all that comes together. The unit itself is covered in a rubberized plastic and feels solid, and it weighs 535 grams with the XY mic capsule. It has a backlit color LCD screen that is angled slightly downward on the unit. This allows it to sit comfortably in your hand if you are using it for handheld application. But more importantly, it assures that you have a clear view of the screen even if you have to angle it to capture sound when you are recording. This feature will be incredibly handy for anyone mounting it on top of a DSLR. On the left side, there are two audio input ports named input 1 and 2 that take in XLR mono or TRS 6.35 mm jacks. As seen earlier, there is the SD card slot. Then there is the headphone port. Below it, you have the volume buttons. Then there is the power hold switch. On the top is the mic capsule port. I'll explain how to attach the two capsules that come with the recorder shortly. The XY or MS capsule have their own gain dial. On the front of the recorder, there are 4 gain dials for inputs 1 through 4. Gain dials are basically volume control dials. Since the audio ports can take both mic audio in and line level in, and I'll tell you the difference of these two in one of my future videos, there are 4 pad switches for each input. Toggling these pad switches to the right reduces the audio in that port by 20 decibels. This is done if the volume of the input coming is hot, which is generally happening when you get it from a mixer or any source with a very high level of gain. Below these are the track buttons and their indicators. I'll explain when and how to use these later. Below these we have the stop button, play pause button and indicator, record button and indicator, previous button and forward button. Below everything we have the angled 2-inch diagonal 240 into 320 pixel backlit LCD display. The angle really helps in seeing the recording tracks without having to hover over the device. On the right side, if the mic capsule is attached, if the XY capsule is attached, is the 3.5 mm TRS audio input port on the capsule itself. There are two more audio inputs for XLR TRS 6.35 mm numbered 3 and 4. Below that is the scroll button. Move it up or down to change selection and press it to confirm selection. Going down further, we have the menu button that opens up the menu items and also acts as a back button to return to the last screen. Further down is the mini USB port. Now, Zoom has always made great recorders with shitty USB ports. Even the 2020 Zoom H8 has micro USB instead of the more versatile USB-C. At the back, you have the speaker grill and the battery compartment. And as I told you earlier, it takes 4 AA alkaline batteries. At the bottom, we have 2 strap holes through which you can tie up the Zoom H6 with even camera straps, a line out port, and a port for connecting the remote that can be bought separately. I had bought a 64GB UHS 1 SDXC card for using with Zoom H6. So let's open that up first. The cards that are ideal for usage are the SDHC cards that are available for up to 32 gigs and SDXC cards that are available up to 2 terabytes, but you can only use cards with a maximum capacity of 128 GB with Zoom H6. Open the slot and insert it holding the SD card like this. Now let's insert the batteries. To switch on, toggle the on-off hold switch on the left side. The Zoom H6 will boot up. First, select the language. To scroll, use the scroll button, and to confirm, press the scroll button. Next, input the date and time. Press the scroll button to select and then scroll up or down to decrease or increase the values. Then press again to confirm, and now press record button to finish. Well, that brings us to this very short video. If you found this video useful, please like this video, share it with your friends. And if you're interested in tech of any kind, then do subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon for notification. If you want more reviews of other gears like cameras, the last one I did was the Nikon D5600, laptops, phones, etc., do write to me in the comment section below. With that, this is Kalyan Kumar from Product Review saying goodbye and stay safe.